with the top 3 on the Vondée Globe are all making good progress eastwards under Australia. Their pursuers look set to deal with a windless zone that is forming, which could widen the gaps even further. Indeed, the next few days as leader Charlie Dalin moves out of the Indian Ocean and into the Pacific could prove pivotal for the skippers between 6th and 12th place. Will Harris, weather expert and aspiring 2028 Vondée Globe skipper, said it may yet be a defining moment of the race entering the Pacific Ocean. The leaders are going to be able to escape with the back of the low pressure to the east, but any of the boats stuck in the high will be caught by the boats riding the train in the next low. He details, there is a high pressure to the north of the fleet leaders. Over the next few days this high pressure will block the fleet roughly where Tasmania is. The high pressure moves east and it will block the fleet. Charlie should stay with the low pressure, but the group 6th to 10th might be caught if they're not fast enough, but Boris, Sam, Justine and Clarisse will definitely be caught by the high pressure. Dalin, Massif's anti-prevoyance, is pushing himself as close to the limit as he dares, and gained another 100 miles or so on second-place Seb Simon, Group du Broye. The intensity is draining to the point that he would relish time to check his boat fully and have some moments of respite. Dalin explains his next phase, I have about 36 hours, or 2 days left the corner of the ice zone, so I have 2 days to decide what to do. I will be sailing right to that corner, and it is quite uncertain, and the weather forecasts to align on what to do at this point. The routing is taking about 10 days to Point Nemo, 9 to 12 days, which all in all looks better, which makes a big difference so we can carry more sail area. Meanwhile, the hard-driving Johan Richom, Paprec ARK, feels he is in a strong position in 3rd, preying on Simon and his damaged foil, and at the same time moving clearer of 4th place Thomas Ruyant, vulnerable. Richom, on his first Vondée Globe, is on robust form. It is a pleasure to be here, to be on the other side of the world so quickly, but then it is a long way back too. I could not hope for much more. We are close to record pace. Well, Charlie is. My morale is good. I am happy with 3rd right now, and I am 3rd because of the option I took round the low pressure in the Indian Ocean, so now I am going to try and claw my way back to Seb. I feel a bit faster than him. He has a custom shock-absorbing seat, mounted on big springs. Crashing into a huge wave he bounces back to some kind of equilibrium. It's the 2nd most expensive seat in history after Napoleon's, he laughs. My repair is embarrassingly messy, but the main components are hanging in there. I think I have done the job. Running repairs continue to prove essential. Sam Davies, Initiative's Kerr, seems to be having ongoing problems this afternoon after an electrical blackout this morning. Sam Goodchild, vulnerable, spent 3 hours fixing his rudders, telling the French Live show today, I spent 3 hours almost stopped because of a rudder problem. It's little things like that make you lose a bit of distance, but here I am again. And Pip Hare, Medallia, has kept things rolling with a repair to her bulkhead. A relieved Hare called in this morning, my repair is embarrassingly messy, but the main components are hanging in there. I think I have done the job. I hope I have, because I never want to do that again. Trying to do it when you are being thrown around in a massive open space is not easy. There is nothing to hold onto and lots of hard carbon to land on. But these jobs just completely wipe you out. You mess up your routine, you don't eat, you don't sleep. I was so tired overnight, and we have another low pressure creeping up on me now. Ultimately, it's a fairly standard depression compared to what we experience in the south. This morning the weather was nice, but the weather is going to cloud over. The rain is going to arrive with perhaps some squalls. Then, we should have gusts of 65 knots, so it's going to be a bit sporty.
Hi guys, the end of a whole week of really strong winds. A little break here for a couple of hours today. Sun is shining, the wind is down to 16 knots. I will go on deck now, hoist the big Janiker, and I made myself a whole list of things that I want to do today, including shaving, videos, check my work list on the iPhone, stretch, sponge out all the waters of all the corners. I need to repair the outrigger on the mainsail, and take some sheets off the J3, change sheets. The biggest job is now C3 up, optimize the boat for lighter downwind. And I talk to you once the list is done. And the last days I have been kind of longing for these conditions where I get to go outside, get to see something, get to hear different sounds, because not only the noise cancellation headphones, but free speaking, free living. Bit my French jazz cafe playlist on, and yeah, I'm sure the going on deck will change my mood, and I'm curious how I look after and how I feel after. Going out of my little cave after quite a few days. This is where I have spent days and days now. There was just fog for many days and we were going fast. That's not that I complain, we were making great progress. Thank you, Indian Ocean. Really thank you. And thank you to the boat. Good boat. Thank you. Hi everyone, middle of the week, Wednesday, 11th December, the end of the 32nd day of the race. It is a day for great change after a couple of days of straight line sailing, where we made good progress in the Indian Ocean to the east. But we had a lot of fog. It was not possible to go outside, lots of water coming over. Today I have the first light wind section in a long time, and more than a week I guess, and that gave me the possibility to look outside, to look around the boat, to repair a few things, and to actually stick my head out and see a bit the ocean, which I really enjoyed. I managed to repair my shaver, which had broken, and I cut it open and connected the electrical wires directly to the electric motor. Really happy about that one. I managed to shave. I feel renewed, and yes, kind of a new section coming for me. Feels at least like a while of lighter wind sailing now through the night, through into tomorrow, and only slowly then we will find a new breeze from the north again and do the next 3 days after that of reaching again towards the east. After that, nearer to New Zealand, we see a massive low pressure forming, but for now we keep an eye on it. There's nothing we can do about it right now. That doesn't affect our strategy yet, but it could later. It looks pretty big. But for now, life is good on board. It's a shame this beautiful day is already going to an end. I will now finish my dinner with chocolate dessert. Dinner was this basmati rice, really good. I also have plenty of oranges still left, so I can't complain. I need to look out for the ice gate tonight to not accidentally sail into there. That would be a big error. So a little vigilance there. Probably 1 or 2, 3 jibes to do. Let's see how it pans out. maybe only one jibe. And yeah, the day was structured today with my long work list that I showed in the morning. I went through most of it, not everything. Things take time on board, even just putting on the big Janiker, cleaning up all the cockpit, the ropes, um, stacking, looking after the boat, repairing a few things. That took the best part of this day. So happy with that. Also, I made good progress, I think. So good day all in all. And yeah, so into the night for me now. The light will disappear in the next half hour. And I'm wishing you a good afternoon in Europe, if you're in Europe. And thanks for following. More news tomorrow. Cheers.
Bonjour à tous, c'est Sam, juste un petit mise à jour de l'océan Indien. On est encore dans une petite dépression, il y a 25-35 nœuds, voilà, quelques choses à faire quand il y a de la molle, sur général pareil. Mais il ne passe quoi, là je suis en t-shirt donc c'est pas non plus catastrophique. Mais voilà, tout va bien, un petit souci de pilote ce matin où ça m'a lâché en plein sommeil. Je me suis trouvé avec la barre entre les jambes, avec tout le voile dehors et 40 nœuds de vent quand on me réveille. C'était un peu particulier. Mais heureusement, j'ai réussi à rouler la voile, arrêter le bateau et changer sur le vérin de sphère. Donc ça s'est plutôt bien passé. Et puis heureusement, on a les pièces à bord pour pouvoir les réparer. Normalement, la prochaine fois, il y a peu de calme. Bon, à plus. Ciao.
Quand on est dans le dur pendant longtemps, eh ben, qu'est-ce que ça fait du bien quand, quand ça s'arrête, clac, clac, clac. Ouais, ça c'est comme le mec qui se tape la tête contre les murs. Quand ça s'arrête, ça fait du bien. C'est un peu ça, quoi. Mais là, ce matin, ce qui m'est arrivé, c'est que là, ça commençait à aller mieux. Crac, je dis bon bah je vais pouvoir me reposer. Eh ben, j'ai pas entendu le réveil. Je me suis réveillé 3 heures après. Ballast plein, la quille à bloc, voilà, avec 2 rides dans la grand voile. Et il y avait 15 nœuds de vent, quoi. Donc voilà. Bon, ben voilà, au moins un petit répit avant la prochaine bataille. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait quand on a un peu de répit sur ces bateaux? Eh ben, on range et puis on essaye de se faire un peu plaisir, clac, clac, clac. Là, en fait, on a une brouillade d'œufs aux épinards, j'adore. Avec des crisps rolls, des chips. Là, on a fait de l'eau chaude, donc la thermos, elle est pleine. Là, le désalinisateur est en route pour faire de l'eau. L'hydrogénérateur est dans l'eau pour faire de l'énergie. Là, le chauffage est en marche pour un peu faire sécher l'intérieur du bateau. Et puis on a quand même renvoyé le riz, on fait le tour du bateau, on regarde les petits détails qu'il faut améliorer, etc., etc. Donc voilà. Allez, je vous embrasse. A plus, ciao.
Salut la Terre. Eh ben, tout va bien à bord de Vulnérable. Tout va bien, c'est un peu tristoun. Ça fait déjà 4-5 jours là que le ciel est gris, c'est plombé. J'ai eu un petit peu de soleil ce matin. Mais ça n'a pas duré. Donc ouais, c'est un peu triste. Voilà. Là en ce moment j'ai une configuration qui va pas trop mal, ça glisse bien. Pas évident quand même. En fait c'est surtout l'état de mer qui est difficile à gérer, de réussir à bien s'habiller pour ça. Là je dois avoir 3-4 mètres de houle, mais c'est une houle assez courte, donc Donc voilà, pareil en termes de réglage et d'angle, pas évident de trouver le bon truc. Voilà, sinon moi je suis bien reposé. Je vais vous montrer un petit plan de l'extérieur quand même, pour vous donner l'ambiance. Bon voilà, en gros c'est tout gris quoi. Tout va bien. Là, je viens de manger un petit parmentier de canard, donc bien mangé, bien dormi cette nuit. Cette nuit j'ai quand même eu, enfin je dis bien dormi, mais j'ai dû m'arrêter un petit peu pour bricoler à l'avant du bateau. Voilà, rien de méchant, mais j'ai dû m'arrêter une petite heure je pense. Voilà. Des news plus tard. Allez, salut!